Hey, let me show you the best features of the JBL Xtreme 4. So first of all, I want to mention that this speaker is actually compatible with the auracast, and the auracast button is available right here, and when you tap on it once, you will be able to simply connect this speaker to another JBL Xtreme 4. Of course, I'm gonna turn it off right now, and if you got to the same speakers and activate this mode, you will be simply connected and you will carry this stereo party. What's really useful that of course this speaker is compatible with Android devices, with iOS devices, and you can also connect this speaker into any PC, like for example Windows 10, Windows 11, or for example the MacBook. The next function that we can find here is the low frequency mode that boosts the low frequencies, and also there is the AC mode. So when you connect the cable and the adapter into the power supply, you will find also small boost of the volume on your speaker. Also we can find here the application, but for some reason it stopped working right now, so I'm going to show you one more time. This is the JBL Portable application, and when you are connected with the speaker, I'm gonna actually quickly repair. There we go. You will be able to find some features of this speaker, like for example the sound equalizer that you can even customize to your own preferences by moving the sliders. We can find the playtime boost, so it will actually boost up the sound, so we'll make our speaker louder. Another useful function is definitely option to update software, thanks to this software section in the application, and also you can perform the hard reset of the speaker. So by using these two buttons, you can just hold them and perform the reset if there is something, and if something is not working properly in this device. And this is it for this video, some best features of this device. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.